Hello everyone! So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-tree pose. So, ang gagawin lang natin is itataas natin yung isang leg natin, tapos lalagyan natin siya sa inner thigh natin. Like that. Find your balance. And then pag okay ka na, you can put your hands in different options like pwedeng nasa hips, pwedeng nakababa lang, pwede yung in a prayer position, pwede yung cactus hands, pwede yung volcano hands, and pwede yung ganito. Not sure kung anong tawag sa pose na to. Yan. And you can also try the other side. So, ulitin natin. So, taas natin yung isang leg sa inner thigh natin. Yan. There. Medyo nag-struggle pa ako mahanap yung balance ko sa kabila. Like that. So, keep your posture straight din pala. So, keep your posture straight. And pwede yung nasa baba yung hands. Pwede sa hips. Pwede sa prayer position. There. Pwede yung cactus hands. This is why kailangan talaga both sides mo pinapractice eh. So, yan. Pwede yung cactus hands. Pwede yung volcano. And pwede yung ganito. Please don't do this pose if you have issues with your knees and ankles. But if you don't have any issues with that, feel free to do this pose. It's a fun yet challenging pose kasi it really improves your balance. It stretches your feet and it also strengthens your core. So if you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave them down below. And if you are looking for a new pose to learn, then click here on this video kasi in that video, I shared how to do the standing mermaid pose. So, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!